3 plus 2 equals 5, and 2 squared plus, right? So now 5 to the power of 4 times 4. Now 5 to the power of 4 equals 5 times 5, right? Then 5 and 5 equals, now calculate 5 times 5 times 5, 625. 625 times 4. Now 625 times 4 equals 2500. But this is wrong. Why? Because exponents first. 3 squared means 3 times 3, right? And 2 squared means 2 times 2. Then multiply, right? Multiplication and division before addition and subtraction, right? Now follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Now let's solve it correctly. Okay. 3 squared equals 3 times 3, right? 9. So 9 plus 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 4. Now multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. 9 plus 4 times 4 equals 16, right? Now 9 plus 16 equals 25.